Salt is a vital mineral that enhances flavor and balances taste in cooking. Let's review the most commonly used types of salt. Understanding different salt types is important for fine-tuning flavors in your cooking. Sea salt flakes, crafted from seawater evaporation, perfect for adding a finishing touch with crunch and sparkle. Rock salt, derived from salt deposits left by ancient seas, often sold as peppercorn-sized crystals. Table salt, harvested from salt mines, then finely ground, processed to remove minerals, and often fortified with iodine, may have a faint bitter aftertaste. Fine salt, can be made from either sea salt or rock salt. Dissolves easily in cooking, as it is free of anti-caking agents found in table salt. Black salt, Kala Namak, Indian black salt with a pinkish-gray hue and unique sulfurous aroma enhances savory notes in chaat dishes and vegan recipes. Himalayan pink salt, unrefined salt from Pakistan's Punjab region with a rosy hue, suitable for cooking and seasoning. Pickling salt, specifically designed for pickling, it dissolves quickly, and is free of iodine and other additives. Gray salt, harvested from clay-lined tidal pools in France, known for its natural mineral content and subtle briny flavor. Fleur de sel, hand-harvested from salt ponds in Brittany by skimming the salt from the surface of the water, it's prized for its delicate crystals and used as a finishing touch on dishes. Hawaiian red salt, traditionally solar evaporated, gets its reddish hue from volcanic clay. Adds an earthy note to foods. Hawaiian black lava salt, gets its color from activated charcoal, offering a smoky flavor and rich color. Understanding these salt varieties allows for the opportunity to elevate your dishes through the nuanced use of each salt type.